Check out this 2007 Jeep Compass. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include multi-stage front seat frontal airbags, sport bar rollover protection, supplemental side curtain airbags, 4-speaker audio system, auxiliary audio input jack, low back reclining front bucket seats, manual windows, rear window defogger, tilt steering column and ultra-floor washable cargo area floor. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.